can see by this equation here, if you take time to the other side, then in no time at all, you'll have the time of your lives finding the answer of force times time and plenty of time to finish the timed exam. Now, since time is our focus and we want to find the velocity as the object hits the ground, on this case, if we take time to the other side and then plug it into the equation, we'll be able to find plenty of time to find the velocity. I'll be right back.
God, snap this. Yes, just skipped class. Send. Woo-hoo.
It's another day to live another fairy tale.
Come on, Tyler. A little bit more, Tyler. All right, Tyler, come on now. Come on, Tyler. Good job, Tyler. Keep it up.
I got it.
All right. Finish strong. Here we go. 10 more seconds. Here we go. Ready?
All of this because I skipped class.
Yes!
Okay, I'll come down. I'm on my way. Whew. Jeez.
It appears that a student has allegedly skipped physics class and is now being chased by his teacher.
Well, as you've seen on our tour, we have a very calm and collected campus. And students truly
Tyler!
And that concludes our tour.
Hey, nice to meet you.
All right, folks. You see the title there. Given a recent increase in absences, it's time I said something. As you can see, we prioritize learning here, and skipping class or taking extended breaks goes directly against that. You want water? Bring a bottle. You need to use the restroom? Wait for the break. I hope you all recognize the importance of attendance at the academy.
Has anybody seen Mr. Perry?
I didn't think we had to come to this, my good friend, but here we are.
Here we are indeed.
This is what happens when you try to chase a fast kid like me.
Yes, but no one's faster than time.
Well, we'll see about that, Mr. Perry.
Yes, we will.
See ya.
equation, time has been looped through the predestination paradox.
What just happened? I was just in the auditorium and now I'm
Where
back.
you started. You see, physics doesn't work so well when you try to skip class.
It's another day to live another fairy tale.